If you guys know the 6.7 Powerstroke, you know it has a known issue. That known issue, CP4. S&S did an amazing job on creating this CP4 disaster kit. If your CP4 fails, or when it does, this kit will collect everything. So it doesn't go to your injectors, doesn't go back to the fuel tank, don't have to clean all the lines out. Whole lot less expensive to fix that problem when it does happen. All right, so we're gonna do an install here on this 2024 behind me. Just got this thing wrapped up. This thing will have no issues for the future of its injection life. If you guys have any questions, hit us up at FASSmotorsports.com or give us a shout at 636-429-7020.